Today we're in Uranus, Missouri. This place is weird.
It's time to start Random Travels. Glad you're here to watch Random Travels. Get your popcorn. Random Travels. Start the always entertaining. Start the awesome and amazing show.
So this is one of those wacky roadside attractions that you hear about. As you can see, they have dinosaurs guarding the place, so be careful as you come in. They even have a fire truck in case Uranus ever catches on fire. Super fun time for the kids. How about a double-decker bus with the Route 66 shield on it? A place to get ice cream and snacks. The place has got kind of an old western town look. It even has a jail. Here's another view of the bus and the playground. It's good to know that the police department is here to serve and protect Uranus. If you can't decide what sites to go and visit, maybe these sites will help you make up your mind. This thing looks like a rocket on wheels. Is it for the highway or is it for outer space? Looks like an important message. Here we see people with unique abilities. And finally the mayor and Miss Tiffany. That's interesting looking ice cream. Esmeralda Honeydew is standing in front of the Fudge Factory sign. Come and visit the live alien inside. I think he's friendly. Esmeralda is escaping from jail. Caution, baby rattlers. Stay back. There's so much danger. Let's go this way. Aha! Reward posters! This is I'm a Hog. Sharon Buns is also wanted. Seth Poole is wanted for littering and not keeping Uranus clean. And that was our look at Uranus City Jail. Are there any chupacabras in there? Come on! She's alive, and she's got frog legs. It would seem that somebody lost something. I'll leave it to you to read the sign to see if you can help or not. Now we're getting to the sideshow posters. This is the classic good stuff. I bet that two-headed baby cries twice as much. Wah! Wah! How can you swallow swords without throwing up, I wonder? Cheeky tooth. Hey, a general store. If I ever need a general, I know where I can get one. Esmeralda! It's Zoltar! No money today, Zoltar. It's finally time to go in. It actually doesn't smell bad in here considering the name of this place. That raccoon must be the lookout. But looky here, it's Little Squatchfoots. How you doing, fellas? Take us home with you. Take us home with you. Take us home with you. Our world-famous fudges are number 2 because our customers are number 1. Woohoo! That's a very silent train. Hey, buy me some candy, Esmeralda.
No way.
Tarantulas, dinosaurs. I could sure go for some gummy tacos. Well, what are you guys looking at? Oh no, it's the spookiness of my nightmares. Uranus, 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 etc. Come on, you knew it was coming sooner or later. Whoa, this is making me dizzy. You know, this place is really big. It's just got more stuff than I had time to show you. Of course, they got fudge and toys and candy and t-shirts and stuff for your house. It's enough to make you lose your mind. Remember, if someone says it stinks in Uranus, tell them that they haven't been to the general store in Missouri. Nyah, 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 nyah. Goodbye from Uranus.